The following is a presentation of Barry Vision Productions.
What do you call a Jamaican who vacations at home?
Them call me Lan Touris, but me no business. Every year, millions of tourists come to this beautiful island, and plenty of them know it better than me. My time now, free time now, to enjoy the island.
Rivers and mountains, such a beautiful scene. The heartland of a people, so pure and clean.
I bet you never guess where I am today. Guess now? Okay, the last time I came, I realized they had a paintball course, but I didn't have enough friends. So I went and I rounded up a posse. Some friends I like, some friends I don't like. Declare war. All right? Una ready?
Yeah! But before the Dryland tourist and posse go to war, let's show you what she did previously at Suncoast Adventure Park.
And then you walk on the rope line. That's not bad. So when you get to this section here, you will walk now individually on each piece of wood. Walk across there.
You mean each? Hold on. How you saw he work here?
She got the memo a while ago.
What do you mean each piece of wood though? Where's my helmet?
Not so sure. I think mine should be there.
I'm used to that, except the poles will be guinea trees and I'll be jumping across them, picking guinea trees.
Alright, welcome to Suncoast Adventure again. I'm Marky. I'm just going to give you a little briefing on the safety. Alright, we're behind us that we call a rope course challenge. It consists of 8 elements. Each element we give them a name.
Okay.
To start with, the first one is the pole, we call that the catwalk. Alright, first, this is your harness. This is what you will be hooked up on at all times when you're out there. This is what's going to keep you safe. On the harness, you got 2 leashes. You have a yellow and a black.
Okay, today I've rounded up some of my most daring and adventurous friends for a rope challenge. And I know some me are going to win, right? I will give one of them a blind. Yeah, and I don't know some me. Now listen to them. You ready? Helena gone already?
No, it's not a sideways thing, you know me, see? There you go.
Watch That one is just on the rope across. Oh my goodness. But what is the purpose of this? Dexterity. Conquer all your fears. Where should let me see that one? Are you going across that one? No. Oh, you have to carry transfer. How do I open this? Huh? Oh! I don't know where to put this. Woo! Can this go behind me? Why is it in front of me? Huh? This requires focus and concentration. It's a good thing my mom does me when I'm doing these things. Yes! Conquer your fears. What you mean? Transfer! I can't get over! Spider-Man! My heart is in my mouth, okay? This goes in front or this goes behind me? What's behind me? So would I hold on to this? I hold on to this across here, sir? Well, I can't get my balance. I cannot. Excuse me? Talk to me when you get here. Can I do half a course? I've conquered enough of my fears. Why exactly do people do this again? Hallelujah. People, I have to catch my breath. So give me a few seconds. We'll go to a break and we'll be right back.
Nowhere to me like Jamaica.
This is actually the easier one. Well, I'm only halfway. Guys, I'm tired.
That was good.
Oh God, let me here.
She's also the youngest. Thank God for boot camp. Go, Helena! Woo! Huh? Yeah, this one is much better. Who needs the gym? Whoa! Oh. Transfer! It's tiring, but we're at the last lap. I can do it. I can do it. Yes, I can. Go, Trudy! My rope! Whoa! Whoa! No, don't leave me! This is the easiest part, thank God. The zip? Yeah. Yeah, well, I've zipped before, so the stepping off is the hardest part.
3, 2, stick away!
If you've never done this before, come out to Suncoast and try it. Trust me. It's hard, but don't give up. Just do it. Watch me now.
Zip brother!
I did it. The going got tough, but the tough got going. So I'm gonna catch my breath right now, and I'll see you in a minute. Be right back.
Nowhere to me like Jamaica.
Okay, the last time I came, I realized they had a paintball course, but I didn't have enough friends. So I went and I rounded up a posse. Some friends I like, some friends I don't like. Declare war. All right? Una ready? Yeah! All right. Yeah. Everywhere is war. Is your shirt saying Suncoast?
Yes, it does.
You don't have any more padding?
Really? You might want to.
This can protect you from a fall? Yes. So you don't have no sideway protection? Alright people, first rule. Aim here so, aim here so. Alright, it's real war if that, you know. The more comes for me. What the police team is? SWAT. More comes for me.
Ready to come.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Suncoast Adventure Park. We're really happy to have everyone here with the paintball here this Saturday morning. Thanks, Lan Touris, for bringing out all your friends to play paintball.
I'm afraid I have something against.
Okay. Well, it'll all be decided on the field in a minute. Okay, now it is an extreme sport we're about to participate in. So we're just going to spend a few minutes going through some of the safety guidelines, because as in any extreme sport, there is always a risk of getting hurt. But if we follow all the rules and guidelines, we can guarantee pretty much that everyone, when they leave, will leave with that same beautiful smile that they got here with. You've all been issued with the goggles this morning, and those are the most important. That's the most important bit of equipment you've been handed out. And it's really important that for your own protection, you have them on your face at all times, so that your face, especially your eyes, are protected. Now, just so we understand one another, my friend here has his goggles in the correct position when we say goggles down. They need to be down at all times once we're on the field. And my friend Lan Touris does not. But we are not on the field yet, so we can keep them in this position. I don't want anyone overheating yet. as in any weapon, we ask that when you're walking around with it, you walk with it holding it down and fingers away from the trigger. And it's something you're all going to have to remember, because somehow the finger magnetically wants to attract itself to the trigger. But you do need to make the effort. Safety is really important to us and to you as well. We don't want anyone getting hurt here today. Now there is a safety on the weapon, just like the real thing. It's this little button located over the trigger. And when you press it through from the right-hand side like this, where it says press fire, you'll see that the button goes red. Once we have the red showing, the trigger's active and it will fire. Okay, so everyone found the safety okay? Everyone good with that? Yeah. We want to put the safety away now so there's no red showing. Now we also have a backup. It's this little piece of fabric, simple as it seems. It's called a barrel sock or barrel cover. We just slot it on over the front. It prevents accidental discharge of the paintballs. So once we get on the field, we can take them off so they don't get in your way when you're playing. But as you step off the field, we ask you to replace it. That way it's safe for everybody, all the spectators and all the other guests who might be here. Now, one of the other important rules we have out there, we have a 10-foot surrender rule. And we ask you not to shoot at distances under 10 feet. 10 feet will be like this distance between us here. Yeah, it stings once you get under that. Or I should say it really stings. All right. So, Lan Touris, if you manage to sneak up on your enemy over there and you get within 10 feet, you call on him, surrender! Now, if you get the chance to surrender, you're well advised, give some sort of sign of submission to show you
And if he resists?
Well, if you see him rounding on you, you do have to defend yourself. Right. But we really don't recommend it because it does sting when you get that close.
I'll have no witnesses.
Right. Now, once you're surrendered, you're out of the game. Yeah, you're out of the game, but each game is only 10 minutes, and we're here to have as many games as we can. We also have a bunker tag rule. The bunkers are all the obstacles out there you might take cover behind. We've got tires, we've got lumber, we've got empty tanks, all sorts of exciting things for you guys to hide behind. So, for example, if David was hiding behind this bunker, Lan Touris, and you manage to sneak up on him, all you do is hit the bunker, tag, and you've eliminated him, and anybody else who's behind that bunker, they're out of the game without firing a shot.
I don't get to shoot the bunker?
Well, you see, you want to save your shots and make sure it counts. So shooting a bunker might be satisfying, but it's not eliminating your opponents.
Fit me in. Let's do it.
Max.
Fantastic.
Troy.
It's already on that. Welcome.
What up,
Let anybody get to the car.
So you are aiming for the
We are
car?
not going for the flag. Don't care about the flag.
Oh, we don't? We're just a killer. Murder!
Let them put you into the car. The flag, the orange thing on the black drum. Don't go for the flag. Let them go for it and we just shoot them every time they run for it.
So we're not moving at all?
No, we're going to move. But we're going to pick up points where we can kill them when they try to go for the flag.
Ready! Max, you're an actor? I'm never get a flag this time. I almost get it, but I'm going to start it out proper out there, so. But I have no paint shot for me, so everything good still.
Nowhere to me like Jamaica. There's nowhere like my island home.
This is the hiking thing we mean. Them have one.
See the zip line, yeah?
What's this? This is the warm up?
Zip line thing.
One worse than this. Worse than this.
Quiet.
The way in the jungle field.
Right.
It's in a circle. So you can't last. Go around, one team will start there, one team will start there.
Right.
Two separate bases.
Right.
15 minutes a game. After that 15 minutes, and it's only one game it will be. After that 15 minutes, I'll blow on my whistle, shout out, game over. stop playing. If you get it in there, you head back here.
So this is the game where you take out the opponent, not the other one which just capture the flag. I like this game. David.
What? You're not on my team?
So now I have the rules. Take out other people.
Okay.
Let's play that
Every
game.
team ready? And when you're ready, we roll.
Yeah. You know the regular story, right? Me, I win. I saw it go. It done right. I always win, no matter what.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Somebody's taking it out?
Nice try.
I see the bullet coming from this way.
You're a clown.
No, come on!
You go right, and we'll go left. Let's go. Guys, almost have them to the right. To the right.
We're only told that it's for the flag. So right away, we are at a disadvantage because we going for the flag and we exposing ourselves.
If you kill everybody on the team, you can then...
It is clear this argument is not going down for now. So tell you what, you join me next week when I take you to another beautiful corner of Jamaica and yet another exciting and contentious adventure as a bona fide Lan Touris. I'm going to ref this.
Hear the flag. Hear the flag. Which team have the flag?
We have the flag.
Other armband stay with the flag. You hear the team have the flag.
See you next week.
Nowhere to be like Jamaica.